Today I'm going to be sharing with you the best 3 trading apps in 2023 for beginners. All the apps I'm going to share with you today are all great apps. Some are just a little bit more advanced, some are easier to use, and I'm just going to share with you the features of all these apps and tell you which one is the best, in my opinion, for a beginner to be using in 2023. All 3 of the apps on my list today are great apps. There's nothing wrong with any of them. In my opinion, I'm just going to show you the one that I enjoy using the most, that has the best features and is somewhat easy to use. We're going to start with number 3, Stash. I put Stash on my list even though it charges fees because Stash is a great app. It's a very easy app to use and has a lot of options on your investments. Stash also has zero minimum deposit, so you can start investing with as little as $1. It also charges $3 a month for individual accounts with a $1,000 life insurance policy, and they charge $9 a month for a custodial account that you can add 2 of your children to, so you can help your children start investing, and it has a $10,000 life insurance policy with that one. Stash also offers banking accounts and investment accounts, and they also offer automatic investing. This app is by far the easiest to use of all the apps on my list, and it offers complete beginner options to start investing. Although they only offer 8 cryptocurrencies, they also allow you to trade cryptocurrencies and ETFs. If you're going to trade individual stocks, I'd recommend you doing your research on a different app or on the internet and coming back to this app to make your purchases. My favorite thing about Stash is how easy it is to find dividend stocks. The only reason this app is so low on the list is because they charge fees. I don't really like fees when it comes to trading. I like to just be able to buy and trade stocks and not get charged an extra fee because I don't trade a whole lot of money in stocks. With all the apps on my list, there's a link in the description below for you to receive sign-up bonuses. When you sign up for Stash and you make your first deposit in your account, you'll receive $20 for free. Number 2, Robinhood. Robinhood is also an excellent trading app. It charges 0 fees. They offer a very wide variety of options to trade. They offer banking accounts, retirement accounts with a 1% match, individual investment accounts, and they offer up to 19 different cryptocurrencies. This app isn't as easy to navigate as Stash is, but they offer a little bit more technical analysis tools. And they also don't offer automated investing, which is a big plus when using the Stash app. Overall, I rate Robinhood a 7 out of 10 on ease of use and a 9 out of 10 on features offered. And again, there are links in the description below for all these apps. For Robinhood, you'll receive between $5 and $200 in free stocks when you sign up and link your bank account. Last but not least, number 1, Webull. For me, Webull really takes the cake. They offer great sign-up bonuses, and they have great tools to find the right investments for you as you learn how to invest. Webull wasn't as easy to navigate as some of the other apps on this list, but as you learn to navigate through the app and you learn a little bit more about investing, this app will be great. Webull is packed with features. It offers any type of trading you could want, but again, it doesn't offer automated investing like Stash did. Webull is my go-to trading app, and I feel like after you learn how to trade and you learn how to navigate the app, this will be your favorite too. Webull offers different sign-on bonuses all the time. Stash offers the highest guarantee of $20, but Webull offers right now $3,000 to $30,000 after you sign up and fund your account. When you fund your account, I mean anything. You can fund 1 penny in this account and you can get your bonuses. But to receive these bonuses, you have to use a referral link. So get the link out of the description, go sign up for Webull. Overall, I give this app a 6 out of 10 on ease of use and a 9 out of 10 on features offered. And as I've said, these are all amazing apps. They come from amazing companies. This is all just my opinion. You might feel differently. Check them out. Check out all their features and come back and download whatever one you make the choice to download. I hope this video has helped some of you watch and decide which app you want to use to start investing, and it makes you start investing and taking control of your financial future. Thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoyed.